Welcome to Sai Rishi Seta YouTube channel. Today, we are going to see the health benefits of cow's ghee. Our topic was Cow Ghee's Health Marvels, a comprehensive guide. Pure cow ghee, a clarified form of butter, has been a staple in traditional Indian cooking and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Here are some potential health benefits associated with the consumption of pure cow ghee. Nutritional content per 1 tablespoon 14 grams. Calories approximately 120 cal. Total fat 14 grams. Saturated fat 9 grams. Monounsaturated fat 4 grams. Polyunsaturated fat 0.5 grams. Cholesterol 37 mg. Vitamin A D. Vitamin A 108 E. Health benefits. Number 1. Rich source of healthy fats. Ghee is a source of healthy saturated fats, including short-chain fatty acids that are easily metabolized by the body. It provides a concentrated source of energy. Pure cow ghee is primarily composed of saturated fats, but it is also a source of healthy fats, including medium-chain fatty acids, MCFAs. These fats are thought to be easily digestible and can provide a quick source of energy. Number 2. Nutrient-rich. Ghee contains essential fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are crucial for various bodily functions, including immune function, bone health, and vision. Number 3. Supports digestive health. Ghee is known for its digestive properties. It can help stimulate the digestive system, promote the secretion of stomach acids, and enhance nutrient absorption. Number 4. Lactose-free. Ghee is virtually lactose-free as the milk solids are removed during the clarification process. This makes it suitable for individuals who are lactose intolerant. Number 5. Rich in antioxidants. Ghee contains antioxidants that help combat free radicals in the body. These antioxidants contribute to overall health and may have anti-inflammatory effects. Number 6. Boosts metabolism. The medium-chain fatty acids in ghee can be easily metabolized by the liver and converted into energy. This may help boost metabolism and support weight management. Number 7. Immune system support. Ghee contains butyric acid, which has anti-inflammatory and immune-modulating properties. It may help support a healthy immune system. Number 8. Joint health. According to Ayurveda, ghee is believed to lubricate the joints and promote flexibility. It is often used in traditional Ayurvedic practices to support joint health. Number 9. Promotes healthy skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in ghee may contribute to healthier skin. Ghee can be used topically or consumed to nourish the skin from within. Number 10. Stable at high temperatures. Ghee has a high smoke point, making it a stable cooking fat that can withstand high temperatures without breaking down into harmful byproducts. Number 11. Brain health. The fat-soluble vitamins in ghee, particularly vitamin D, are important for brain health. Adequate vitamin D levels are associated with cognitive function and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Benefits. In Ayurveda, pure cow ghee is considered a medicinal substance and is often used as a carrier for herbs and as a base for various Ayurvedic formulations. Important considerations. While pure cow ghee has potential health benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. As with any dietary component, individual responses may vary, and those with specific health concerns or conditions should consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist. We have pure cow ghee for sale in our pharmacy. Half liter rupees 260, and if need 1 liter 500 rupees plus courier charges.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to Sai Rishi Seta YouTube channel and press bell icon for instant updates.